To rule Char once again, we must destroy the Terran fortress. They will fight with everything they have. We need only your command, my queen.
We've reached the Terran fortress. They've dug in and ready for us. There's no room for subtlety here. We will go after them wherever they are, and overwhelm them.
Prepare for nuclear launch. I want the only thing left of these bugs to be glowing corpses.
General Warfield is activating his nuclear arsenal.
We have to move fast. Zagara, you set up a hive cluster while I take this wave and do as much damage as I can. Boldly.
I will ready a hive cluster for the swarm, while you do as much damage as you can, my queen.
Send me reinforcements when you can. This is going to be bloody.
Here they come! Lock and load!
Repel the Zerg assault. Don't budge an inch.
Boldly.
Dropping the hammer!
Make your peace.
More of the swarm have arrived to reinforce your attack, my queen.
Your queen bless you.
Our forces are under attack.
Boldly. Make your peace.
Our forces are under attack. I am sending more Zerg to you, my queen. May they be useful in your attack.
Your queen listens. Boldly.
Incoming Zerg! Get the wounded to the evac ships!
The swarm conquers all. Yes, we're running out of time.
Wipe them out, men! These bugs will never take Char.
Make your peace.
Our forces are under attack.
No time like the present. Iron.
Damn it, girl! We saved you! How could you return to this? Time for the nuclear option. Kill them all!
Our hive cluster barely survived that blast, my queen.
Warfield will drop more nukes on us as his arsenal comes online. Our only hope is to breach his tactical operations center. Once we're inside, it's all over.
I have created something to help you destroy the Terrans. The aberration.
Sequences sloppy, yet effective.
Use them, my queen. Take control of the base, and the Terrans will learn to fear the swarm. My queen, within these facilities, the Terrans experiment upon the Zerg. This cannot be allowed.
I'll destroy them if I get the chance, Zagara.
We require more minerals.
It is time.
Spawn more. We require more minerals.
Minsk will suffer. The swarm conquers all. This world is mine. We adapt. Make your peace. No time like the present. We are without limit. Boldly. Our conquest continues. It is time. I am the swarm. Your queen listens. The swarm conquers all. Yes.
Damn it! You'll regret this, Kerrigan.
No time like the present. We adapt. Minsk will suffer. We are without limit. This world is mine.
Men, we've located the Zerg Hive cluster. Deploy assault teams.
Mutation complete. We require more minerals. We require... Our forces are under attack. The Hive Cluster require more minerals. Nuclear launch detected. The Terrans are launching another nuclear missile. Clear the area. We require more minerals.
Your queen is under attack.
We require more minerals. Mutation complete.
Your queen listens. Make your peace. Minsk will suffer.
We require more minerals. We require more minerals. We require more minerals. Nuclear launch detected.
Retribution beam.
We have detected another nuclear missile launch. The hive cluster is under attack.
Our conquest continues. Make your peace. What is it this time? It is time. We are without limit. I am the swarm. No mercy. Retribution will be mine. Leave Char. If you stay, I will slaughter your men to the last. I am the Swarm. Our conquest continues.
More admirations for you.
Speak. I am the Swarm. The Swarm conquers all. This world is mine. Yeah, I've taken out the science facilities. That'll put an end to Warfield's experiments.
I hope those bugs are good company, 'cause they'll join you in hell.
You should have left Char to me, Warfield. Conquest continues.
Evacuate civilians. Soldiers, stand your ground.
Boldly. Death awaits you.
I'm under attack.
Make your peace. It is time. Our conquest continues.
Nuclear launch detected. Warfield has launched another missile at our forces.
What is it this time? Boldly. Minsk will suffer. We are without limit. Our conquest continues. Boldly. No time like the present.
Spawn more overlords.
Speak. We adapt. swarm.
Ghost teams Bravo and Delta, open fire!
The Terrans have launched a missile. Our forces are under attack.
Thanks. Your queen listens. Our call.
The way is clear.
Go, hunt them all down, but leave General Warfield to me.
Lieutenant, get the wounded to those shuttles.
We're almost there. Should I send a team to get you?
I'm fine, Lieutenant. Just see to those wounded. I'll get out another way.
General, there's too many Zerg. We're not gonna make it.
Kerrigan, you listen to me. I have 3 shuttles packed with men too injured to ever be a threat to you. Husbands, fathers, you let those shuttles go. You hear me?
General, we're surrounded. There's no way out.
You bitch. You're not even human anymore. You betrayed us all. For what? Petty revenge? How many innocents have you killed? How many more have to die? What if Raynor could see you right now?
General, we're surrounded. We're not gonna make it. General, the Zerg pulled back. It's a miracle. We're going to make it. General! General!
I am so powerful. I feel as if I could be a threat to you now.
Listen well, Zakara. Someday you might rule the swarm. If you think you can take it now, make your move. But the next time we fight, it is to the death. All or nothing.
I will serve you and learn from you. And perhaps someday, I will lead the swarm. But not today.
And what lesson did I teach you?
Vision, my queen. You taught me vision.
The swarm is powerful, but power is not enough for its leader. I defeated Warfield not through numbers or strength. I simply possessed vision, and he did not.
I will remember it, my queen.
Another world for the swarm. The broods are coming back together.
Our enemies should fear us.
There is still much to do.
We are numberless, we are relentless, and we are evolving.
We are also done on Char. I will decide on our next destination soon.
During the battle, the Terrans launched thousands of these devices at the Leviathan. They are not weapons.
It's a two-way communicator.
The Queen of Blades. I knew you'd return to your true form. A monster. Now, you'll do exactly as I tell you if you care at all about Jim Raynor. Yes, he's alive. So you'll keep your swarm away from Paul and away from me, or he dies. That man sacrificed everything to give you back your humanity, and you threw it away. Oh, he must be disgusted by you. Why, he'd be first in line to kill you.
I can't sense Jim out there. If he is alive, nothing in this universe will stop me from finding him.
We are picking up at your orders. We will move our Leviathan into
Valerian, we're picking up some kind of reading.
Warning. Psionic waveform detected. Scale. Unclassifiable.
Kerrigan, what happened to you? How?
There's no time. Listen carefully. Jim is alive and I can't find him. But you can. Hack the Dominion network and figure out where they're holding him.
How can we trust her?
Valerian, if there's even a chance that Jim is alive, I'm going after him.
Hacking the Dominion security network will prove difficult.
Only one man can hack that network. Colonel Orlan. And he's being held prisoner by Mira Han.
The mercenary leader. Isn't she a friend of yours?
Not exactly. It's complicated. Let's just get this done.
Find him, Matt. We both owe it to him.
My understanding of vision must be incomplete.
Why do you say that?
Because I see no strategic advantage to this location. There is no essence to absorb, no enemies to conquer. Yet I know that you possess vision, and your actions always have an underlying purpose.
My reasons for being here are my own.
It is your right to keep the truth from me, my queen. But I will try to find it anyway.
Go ahead and try, Zagara. I'm pretty sure this one is outside your understanding.
We have arrived in Dominion space. Should we move on the Dominion research facility?
Not yet. I have to deal with something first.
Will this give us some special advantage, my queen? Should Abathur be ready for new essence?
Silence, Isha. This is a personal matter. It will end badly, but I must see it through.